Good night, everybody, and welcome to this new program. Tonight, we are going to be talking about the most relevant things are happening in our university campus. Let's start. The leasing place of the car for years 2019 are open. Next, we will show to do that your registration process is easy and very fast. Meet the requirements, for example, prueba saber, fotocopia del diploma, fotocopia del recibo, the information, your name, your email, and your cell phone. Pago of registration. In Pregrado Virtual, I don't have to pay because it's very easy and very fast. I don't forget last steps. Number 1, prepare for the interview. Number 2, process your car. And number 3, pay the registration fee. Thank you.